Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start eating.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body Benz. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you'll probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we have a feast. It's going down.
Down.
Today my husband prepared fried fish, white rice, and we have some plantains on the side.
Yep.
And as usual, we are hungry. I know we say it all the time, but we be hungry. But before we go any further, I do want to show you guys my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat.
Hey guys, I hope you liked my outfit of the day. We are ready to dig in. Now, these are snappers, and when we show you the video of how my husband prepared it, we'll tell you more about the snappers, how he seasoned it. It's a really great video. So just stick around to about a few minutes. Let us eat some food because we're hungry. And then we will show you the video.
Mm-hmm.
So okay, honey, because them today are for your one, or these three are for your one?
All four mine.
God.
Or the onions.
Oh, so we have some onions. And remember, I told you guys that I make these onions and I make it in a big batch. Hey, baby love. I make it in a big batch, and we put it on steamed fish, fried chicken, because we like the pepperness of it. So if you just feel like eating pepper, let's say I made something and it's not that spicy, we would take some of this and put it on there, but it's really good.
Check out the rice. Look at the presentation.
I know. You guys can't see the rice because it's behind here, but trust me, when we start moving the fish around, you will see it. Hopefully the rice will still there. But right now, I'm going to dig in. Honey, thumbnail. Hold on.
Give him a thumbnail, man. Yo,
You love
I love the thumbnail. Let me know.
Yeah, man. So I don't know which I'm gonna start, but I think I'm gonna start with this one right in front of you guys. Look how white that meat is. I always forget where the camera is. Right here. Can you guys see that? Let me back up a little bit. It's so white. And you see? Okay, you can see. They can see the rice now, honey.
No, definitely can see mine.
They can see the rice now.
I ain't playing no games.
You know what I like about this one too? You can see it brighter. It's all the way on top. The thyme.
Oh, you put the onions on your rice.
Yo.
Oh, you tried already? Yeah, you tried already. You want piece of mind. You tried to trick me. Wow. So good till it's dropping already. Wow.
You know what?
Wowzer.
I'll put this fish.
Look, pile it up.
In front of me. No. My baby love.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put this fish, so when I can see the fish still.
I'm gonna sit down when it's ready for you.
Look at that. Almost look like it's swimming to me.
Yeah, till I'm ready for it.
Ready for my
This thing
fish.
right here is peppery.
Peppery.
Honey. You gotta be careful. Yes.
Remember how pepper it was when I made it the first time?
Oh God.
It was so peppery to the point where I had to add more onions because it didn't make no sense I add any more pepper because it was already well pepper.
Wow. It's nice, you know?
This is the plantain that my husband fried.
Surprised you with that, huh?
You did. I went and took a shower. I just cut my business off. And
Didn't expect that. Surprised.
when I came out, I was like, "Oh, you made plantains."
Was it worth it? I love Key West. Family, we don't buy fish.
My daughter came into the kitchen. She was like, no, into the bedroom. said, did Daddy make the fish yet? I was like, no, he's about to. She said, oh, I'm hungry. I'm waiting for the fish.
How? She sampled it first.
Mm-hmm.
She was like, damn,
So
that's delicious.
No one makes better fried fish than my husband.
Mm-hmm.
I'm telling you. You gone one already?
Soon gone too. Decent, huh?
Decent. Delicious.
I'm trying.
No, man.
Yeah, make it.
Yeah, chef.
Mm-hmm.
Chef Richie.
Chef Richie.
Mm-hmm. There's something about
What?
eating a fresh fish.
It tastes, yeah.
It tastes way different.
And beer?
Let me hook it up, my love.
Take it off. Can't pay attention to that right now. But,
You know what? It's true.
yo. Oh, shit. Makes you want to dance. Come on now and shout. Stay down.
Rolling, rolling my bumper, rolling.
Rolling in my belly, rolling. Boy, I roll the bumper, I roll in my belly. Can't roll the bumper. First lady, I think it's a good time to show them how I prepared it.
Oh,
How we prepared it.
you know what? You're absolutely right. Go ahead and check out the video of how my husband prepared this fried fish. Okay? We'll be back. Honey, what do you have going on there?
You know, another day on it. Some fish we're gonna do for your channel today. Key West catch of the day, you know.
Ooh,
See that one right there?
that's a good one.
A nice one. Where's it done? You know? So I'm scaling it right now. I'm about to clean it up.
So how come you scale it in the water?
Oh yeah, I knew you were gonna ask that because when you scale it in the water, it's better. The scales don't fly up all over the place.
Oh,
So,
you're right. It just
fork.
goes to the bottom?
I use a fork, yeah. I just scale in the water like this. See, there's no scale coming out of it. So who don't know how to scale a fish? It's the easiest way to get scale all the way for you. If I go like this now, you're gonna see the difference. All the scale, you see?
Oh, yeah, it jumps.
So
It goes
yeah.
everywhere.
So I just leave it right here and you just do it like that.
And then guys, when you're scaling a fish, you gotta understand the scale is like very transparent. So when it flies everywhere, you don't see it until one day
Yep.
you're like wiping the counter and you're like, scale. So when my husband cleans it, you know, scale it in the sink like that, I never see any scale anywhere.
I go like this now, look. It's not a lot, but look now, see all the scale in
That's
there?
all the scale that drop inside the water instead of all over your kitchen.
But you know what too? And
That's a good idea, honey.
what's that thing, the dispenser? I don't put it down in the dispenser neither. I just take all the scales up like this, gather them around, and then just throw them in the garbage, do the bar a little, and then a little bit left, and then I put it in the dispenser.
Okay, okay. That's a good tip, honey.
Yep. Cooking with Richie,
Richie.
aka First Lady. Most people don't like doing when they catch a fish. Most people fillet a fish, but we eat it whole. So look, look at that. All the guts. See that? What I do is just go in there, get rid of it. I'm saying, look.
Ooh.
You know, and this is a good fish day too. Chub. So this is the part most people don't like. You know, so that's why they fillet it. But we have to do this because we eat it whole. You know what I'm saying? So that's done. Grab my next one.
But these fish is so fresh because we catch them at Key West. I know we keep saying that, but we just want to let you guys know we didn't go to the store and buy these. We caught these ourselves.
We don't buy fish.
So they fresh as I don't know what, and this is the best kind of fish that you can get is to catch your own fish if you're able to. But if you're not, just make sure, say, you know, honey, so if they're not able to catch their fish themselves and they're someplace and they have to buy fish, what should they look for?
They gotta look in the eyes. You see how this eye look? You see how this eye look well, like you got in contacts?
Oh, wow.
That's good. When you see the eyes, them look like a droopy and like just dull, that means those fish is still. So when you catch fish, always put it like it's frozen. Don't gut it yet. Once you gut it, it's gonna be like you buy fish from the store because all they do is just put it back in the store, put it back, and it don't last long. So if you get a fish, just put it on the fridge, hold like this, and then when you're ready to skin it and gut it, eat it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good to know. Good to know.
True tip. Fisherman tip.
Fisherman tip
Big
of the day.
fisherman and big
Fish,
fisherwoman.
fish. Fisherman tip for the day.
Yeah, fisherman tip for the day.
Okay, honey. So You're cutting the fish.
Yeah, a slice.
too salty and too overpowering. It's gonna be just right.
You don't need no salt in this because it got everything in it.
Yeah.
But you know, the seasoning is what bring out the taste in the food.
Yes.
You have to have seasoning.
You have to have seasoning.
If you're making fish.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? But seasoning brings out everything.
But too, the fish is so fresh that I can't wait to eat. But just know that the way he seasons it, it's not gonna be salty. And then he doesn't add salt to, as you can see, the ingredients that he puts in. He doesn't add salt to the seasoning because everything has salt already. Most of the seasoning on the market has salt on it. This will not be salty. It'll be perfect.
Nowhere next to salt. You know what I'm saying?
And then we eat this with some white rice and with some onions, spicy onions.
Spicy onion. Your special onions, you know?
My special onions. Yeah. I'm not gonna make that in this video because I already made it and it's just in the fridge. When I make it, I make a big batch because we eat it on everything. So
the preparation, how we get down, you know?
Yeah.
Simple preparation.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
You're gonna see the next time you'll see us is when my husband is frying the sumarons, and then after that when we yam it.
You know, so you gotta take the fishing with you one day.
Yeah, when we go fishing, when everything hopefully get back to normal, we're gonna go fishing, and we'll take you guys with us. We out.
Yeah. Okay, here we go now with the frying process. You know, we're frying. There we go. Frying up right now, you know. Yeah, and oh yeah, I just felt like throwing some plantains in there, some ripe plantains, so you know, we'll get it right.
Hey guys, we are back, and I hope you enjoyed that video of how my husband prepared the fried fish. He gave you guys some great tips in the video as well. And
as always,
if you make fried fish, hit me up on Instagram, the same thing, 2NV Shanice, and tag me in your picture. Show me how your fried fish came out.
Remember, sorry.
No, go ahead, my love.
Remember, season it to your liking, okay?
That's very important.
Okay. I just show you what we do.
We? You?
You too? Fish can go on. Mother to tell. I was waiting.
I was waiting.
I think I want some of that gravy.
With the pepper? With the onions. So this is very simple. Okay, baby. It's very simple to make. Everyone makes it different. That's why cooking is so
difficult.
No.
Not difficult. I mean, but you know,
everybody
have their own touch,
their own style.
Yeah,
you know?
That's what I mean.
Because, like you said before, everyone has their own taste, so they have to. Oh, did you hear that? You know what's going on over here?
Crunchy.
You gotta get them born?
Show them, show them. See? A lot of people don't like this. The head of the fish.
Fish head.
I love it.
You think of them your nails and cleany?
I'm a hard worker.
But
wow, it's like every time I fry fish, it tastes different and different.
Better and better. I feel like I can't even talk to you guys. I'm just gonna eat.
Go eat? Right here. Your onion is on point, girl.
It's on point.
Word up.
Oh, that's what I was saying. So everyone makes the onions, even the onions, different. Okay, but so a lot of people don't season their the vinegar, cause.
Let's take mine open here. You got it? How long is it?
Oh my God.
No, take here. Look agua today, you know.
A lot of people don't season the vinegar. So when you're eating the onions, you taste a lot of vinegar.
Yeah.
Even though they add sugar or whatever to it.
Yeah.
I don't like to just eat onions and all I'm tasting is vinegar.
True.
So I add seasoning to it. I season my vinegar.
To your liking.
Oops, it's almost trying to escape. To my liking.
Yeah.
That's correct. So listen, don't be laughing at how I eat my fish. You guys already know I eat slow, for one. And for two, there's bone in the fish, which we love, but you have to be careful.
Take your time.
You gotta take your time. Don't come back.
Damn, my fish is running away. That's mine?
That's my fish. Don't say, oh, Shanice, I ate fish. And I ate a bone. You gotta be careful.
careful what you do.
You have to.
Getting all over the bed, huh? Trying to stick.
Nothing's not. It's not gonna go in my mouth today. Stop. I wait for you now.
What? This is my damn food. Now pay attention to it, I say that.
I was waiting for you. But once it came out, I said, here he goes now. Here goes your fish head. I don't eat fish head.
I do. Thank you. Yeah. You hear that crunch?
Wow.
You hear that crunch?
I hear it. Oh, but honey, but you don't like your fish to be too crunchy. You want it to have some
nice little softness to it.
Softness to it, yeah.
I want too crunchy.
I don't like my fish too crunchy either.
Some people just like it crunch. I basically burnt.
Listen to me. You think we're gonna sit there and spend all that time catching the fish and then bun it up? You mad?
I do that proper.
Plantains are sweet.
Sweet, right?
I'm so glad you made that. It goes really good with the dish. Plantain, pear, aka avocado.
We never have none. Substitute.
You improvise really good though.
Always. When you're a big cooker, I know.
You have to learn. You have to know how to improvise.
Zimmer. This was a schoolmaster snapper. You see the yellowtail of it? It's not a yellowtail snapper. It's a schoolmaster. It's in the snapper family.
There's so much snappers out there.
A lot. And also, you go Key West. You gotta know your fish that's in season. What's the size limit and your limit?
Don't be going to Key West saying, "Oh, Shanice and Richie said to me."
Remember my sauce there. I'm say Richie send you. Richie not send you. Richie did not sell you. Sell you or sell you.
Oh, but Shanice and Richie told me.
Then
come here.
been watching on TV said, "Oh, come to Key West and just go catch fish."
And catch fish. No. Make sure you know.
Catch at your own risk.
Your
know
limit. Yeah. Do your research. Know what's in season, what's not in season. Because when we was there last time, before everything went crazy, this guy told us that they're getting very strict. Even if you're a half inch below, they can take your boat,
everything,
your license, your fishing license.
Worse when the fish them is not in season.
You get a big fine.
Expensive ticket. Expensive sound.
Expensive fish.
But you know what's funny? They still sell them small fish in stores, but we can't get them.
You ain't got sense.
The idiot thing that. Yes. Family is so good today, I can't even share.
That's true, you didn't share no food today.
No.
What's that guy's one?
They don't like fish because you got a head on it.
Oh. Yeah, make it.
I know y'all don't like it because it got a head on it, so I can't share it with y'all. But I'm sure enjoying it.
Every smacker, delicious.
Every smack delicious part of it.
You're going good too, you know?
Yeah, go on good, man.
Really? Look at how you make a dent in my food.
Look at that, man.
I mean, I'm slow.
Take your time and eat slow, man.
You guys know I like to get every piece of meat.
It's not a problem eating slow. Do your thing. Just take your time. That's fish.
You know, they sacrifice their life to feed us, so can't waste the meat.
I feel sorry for them when they bite the line, though.
I know.
But
The last time we went to Key West, we stayed a few days. And the onions, baby. And we caught like almost 40 fish.
good deal.
Almost 40 fish. Different kinds. Excuse me. Snappers. What's it? Grunts?
Grunts, jacks.
Jacks. What's it called? The one them that poop on themselves?
I can't know.
Shitty.
I see the fish them.
Schoolmasters.
Schoolmasters. This is the one I'm eating right now. She eating the mangrove. It's the same fish though. But Schoolmaster.
I wanted to catch another mackerel.
Yeah. Right now, like everything just happened. Fish them hungry.
I'm hungry.
So you know if they want to go back down there.
They're gonna be ready to bite. That was a great day.
Yeah.
That was the last time we went. I guess the fish them knew, you know what? Let me get as much food as I can because these people are gonna be gone for a while.
You did good that day. She basically caught all of them. I was like, wow. That's good. Big fish woman.
Big fish. Ooh. And who taught me? My husband.
You. You gotta be careful you can't talk right in the bone.
I know.
Fish head, where are you? Today was a good day.
Even outside, it wasn't too hot. It was nice and cool.
Decent weather. Got stuff done. So how y'all week been going on? How's the quarantine? Quarantine soon done? You know what's funny? They open up that beaches and stuff, but people still got a mask. Make sense?
Nope.
I saw people.
But they have restrictions if you go to the beach.
Yeah.
No coolers, no blankets.
Yeah. What are you supposed to eat?
Nothing. They basically just want you to be able to walk on the beach and go yard. They don't want you socializing. No like chairs. They don't want you having a reason to sit down. And then somebody else comes sit next to you. So.
That makes no sense.
So.
Good. Stomach is still there. I thought it went somewhere. Schoolmaster. Wow.
Timmy ate all her fish?
Yeah, me tough.
Wow. She had a decent size too, right?
Soon as she took the first bite, she said, wow. That's delicious. I said, yeah, you my tester because we can't test the food.
We gotta live vicariously through her until we can eat the food.
Cause you know what we do already, cause once school cooking we start taste.
And then you get full. That ever happened to anybody else when you're cooking something and you taste the food and by the time the food is done, you're not hungry again? No, that don't happen to you. Lie.
Yeah.
Wrong person.
But no. But no, since me and you on your channel, we can't taste nothing. Not true.
Not true, babe.
True, babe. Inside though.
If they wasn't here, I'd been chewing up in these bones, you know.
So you not chew up on the bone, man?
I don't want to people them judge me.
No joke, you man plant them, man.
Yeah, man.
Judge you. So they might judge you what they must say about me.
Then you can yam.
It half.
Yeah, man.
But make for yam.
You are man. Different for you. Okay, my love.
You have to keep your figure.
No.
But you know when we done, we go walking again.
Walking.
You know? Got to keep the first lady right, you know?
My husband and I, we walk, well, and jog. Archer, you can't see.
I buy the bicycle, you know the bicycle where two people sit on it? I buy that for you, make you sit on the front and you pedal and go and ride. From just sitting on the back of the stool, so.
You're right.
And watch your pedal.
But here's the kicker. We won't get nowhere because I can't move. I can't ride that. It's a good thing that you're not left-handed, because this wouldn't work. So we've been
bumping. I'm left-handed when it comes to basketball, though.
You're left-handed and right-handed. What you be doing?
What is it? Ambidextrous.
Oh,
big word. Yeah, when it comes to basketball, I'm left-handed. You know how much pints on your score?
That hand?
Yeah, you know much pint? It was worth the wait.
Okay.
Now your fish will get sweet now.
It's always sweet. So if you watch the part, well, if they're at this part of the video, they watch
it already.
The cooking process, right? So you know how my husband seasoned the fish, and he cut. You see?
You show them?
Now you can see all the seasoning is in here. So
heavy.
So every time I get a piece of the fish, the seasoning just like knocks me out.
Knocks you out. And if you don't taste no salt, I use no salt.
Perfect.
Perfecto. You did real good, first lady. Wow. You love fish. Our fish love you.
I love sumarone.
I love the sumarone, then, man. Can I tell you what that means, though? So, family, let us know how you prepare your fish. And if you're a fish lover like us, once I say fishing, man, the first lady out. No matter where it is, we out. We got to get there.
No. I ain't going on no boat.
Yeah, we can't go boat. How much time we been on the boat already and seasick? 3
times.
Got a lot of story time.
Actually, you was 4. Actually, we went on the boat one time and we didn't get seasick, but that's because it barely
we didn't go that far.
So, but everybody tells you, oh, look at the horizon, take this pill, take that pill. And I said we did all that stuff. Wear a bracelet, take pill.
But you did better than me though. The last time we went fishing on the boat, you did better.
Barely.
I was knocked out in that AC. I didn't even know what happened. All I know is we reached back to land.
I barely. I just tried to keep on staring at the horizon.
Not a boat person, but we love the ocean.
I remember the little baby was on the ship or the boat, and
they didn't even know what was going on.
I know. I wish I could be like that.
No.
Just be on the boat and not get seasick.
Woo! Sorry.
Sayamo.
Oh, nice. The one that sneak out.
Yeah, you're trying to be stitched and be like.
You look at silence. You know, say look at silence one. But you know, say the silence one was the worst one.
The silence one. That came right out.
My gosh.
Stop fronting.
Stop fronting. You know what I'm saying?
Shit, man.
Shit, man.
Sorry.
Get out of here.
I keep on spilling rice. When I eat stuff like this, I gotta eat it with a spoon.
So don't forget to like,
share, and subscribe.
And don't forget to do it. Go down to that little bottom thing and right. Right?
What's that?
Comment section. You know?
Eat my last plantain.
You did good for a lady. Wow.
I am full now.
You full? That's good. So you know.
This be my snack.
It's always worth it.
The rice is so buttery.
It is. Flaky too. You hear that crunch, girl?
Me hear it. How is the fish head? How is it going?
Fish head are going good, man. Well, that's all she wrote, right?
Guys, I am stuffed.
Yeah.
So,
you know.
We want to thank you guys for joining us today. And I hope you liked the video.
All right.
Yes.
What?
I don't know.
So what you gotta say, girl?
What I gotta say, son? So, I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us.
You.
Us.
Us.
Us. Okay. That's it.
Bye.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body bend.